Hi, today I'm going to show you how to download and install MiXCR software on Mac OS and Linux system. So first of all, we're going to go to MiXCR.com. We're going to hit download button here and follow that link to the latest release of MiXCR on GitHub. Now here we see that the latest release is MiXCR version 4.2. We see some features that has been added with the latest release, and we're gonna scroll down to the bottom of the release, and here we see the zip archive with MiXCR, and I'm not gonna download it right away in the browser, but instead I'm gonna right click on it and copy the link. Now I'm gonna go to the terminal, and I'm using iTerm, but you can use any standard terminal on Mac OS or Linux system. And first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create the directory for MiXCR software. And I'm gonna call it MiXCR software. Now I'm gonna go into that directory. And I'm gonna download MiXCR using wget. You can use curl for that as well. I'm gonna go with this. And now MiXCR is being downloaded. Now when the file is downloaded, I'm gonna unzip it. And that's pretty much it. I can run MiXCR by typing /MiXCR. And right away we see there is a message that we don't have a license. Now to use MiXCR, we should have a valid license. To obtain it, I'm gonna follow that link right here. Now there are two types of licenses, and I'm gonna go with the academic license, which is free for students. I'm gonna type in my name here and my email address. Now I have already received a confirmation email. So now I just press the button in my email to confirm my email address. And in the next email that I just got right away, I have my license. So I just click go to license, and I will copy it. And now I can just close all these windows because we're not going to need it anymore. Now to activate the license, I'm going to type MiXCR activate license, just as it said right here. I'm going to hit enter and paste the license code that I just copied from the email. And that's it. Now MiXCR license is activated, and I can use MiXCR just like that. I'm going to type help message, so that is going to return me all the functions that MiXCR has. There we go. Now that's it for today, and in the next video I'm going to show you how easy it is to run MiXCR on a sample dataset of FASTQ files.